Is your Honda Odyssey key fob not working? The most common issue is a dead battery. The key fob uses a CR232 lithium coin battery. To replace the battery, pry open the fob carefully, remove the old CR2032 battery, and insert a new one with the positive side facing up. Then reassemble the fob. If the fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, perform the relearn procedure. For 2018 and newer Odyssey models, insert the key in the ignition, turn to the on position without starting the engine. Within 4 seconds, press the lock button on the fob. Repeat for any additional fobs and ensure all doors remain closed throughout the process. This syncs the fob's unique ID with the vehicle's body control module. Many issues arise from using the incorrect battery type, so always use CR2032. If your key fob only fails to control the power sliding doors, the issue might be a sync problem. Ensure the power sliding door switch on the dashboard is toggled on. Try holding the fob's door button near the vehicle while cycling the PSD switch. For other advanced issues, consider that recent Honda Link app updates include firmware patches for over-the-air key fob reprogramming. If issues persist and you have a 2022-2024 model, check Honda's website with your VIN for recall eligibility due to a potential receiver module defect. As of October 2025, some owners have reported success using Honda Link firmware updates to resolve PSD sync failures, avoiding dealership fees. Always ensure you are following the correct steps in these tutorials and fixes to avoid user error.